Today, let's go with Frank to the Jinping Fireworks warehouse for the quality inspection of the display shells. Jinping Fireworks is a high-quality professional factory specializing in the production of display shells, display cakes, single rows, single shots, display Roman candles, and consumer cakes. First, Frank will check whether the text on the inner and outer packaging matches the customer's order and the fireworks export standards. Then, he will unpack and weigh the cartons, confirming the actual weight of the products, inspecting the product's appearance, and checking if the fuses are securely attached. Sample products will be numbered, tested in the evening. And finally, the sampled cartons will be marked for identification. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.